Hey guys, Will Mahan here again with Saber in Design tutorial blog. And ever since I started doing these tutorials, smart objects have become a pretty popular subject around the water cooler. So I thought I would do a tutorial today showcasing just one more capability of this powerful tool. Now if you're familiar at all with Unity game engines, prefabs, or with Flash's symbols, then you're going to recognize this capability pretty quickly. So if you haven't already, let's go ahead and start a new document. Hit File and New, and 1024 by 1024 will work just fine, and click OK. On a new document, go ahead and come over here and pick up the elliptical tool and draw a circle out anywhere, holding down Shift as you do to keep it round. Now go up here and pick up the Move tool and relocate the circle in the upper left corner of the document. Now let's go ahead and convert this to a smart object by right-clicking and choosing Convert to Smart Object. Now let's duplicate this layer a couple of times, holding down Alt as you drag, and move the copy over to this corner and drop it. Now let's do it one more time. Hold down Alt as you drag, and drop it on this corner. Now looking at those three black dots, they're pretty boring. A red dot right in the center of each one would really spice it up. But what if we don't have time to make three separate red dots and perfectly center them on each one of the black dots? Well, since we converted the first circle into a smart object before we duplicated it, that means that all the copies are now referencing the same smart object document. That means if we make changes to the smart object document just once, it'll be updated to all copies. So let's go ahead and do that now. Double-click on this icon to bring up the Smart Object document. Pick up the Ellipse tool again and draw out a new circle, holding Shift as you do. And then go up here at the top and change the color to red. Click OK. Now close the Smart Object document, hit Yes when prompted to save, and as you can see, we now have a circle located in the exact same spot on all three of the black circles. Pretty cool stuff. But now let's suppose that you want this design in its own Smart Object document, but you don't want it to reference the same document as the other three copies. Well, that's simple enough to do too. Let's go over here and right-click and choose New Smart Object via Copy. And now go pick up your Move tool and move this copy down to here. Now we can drill down into this Smart Object document by double-clicking here. And let's relocate this red circle to this area. Close the Smart Object document, hit Yes when prompted to save, and we'll notice that this one does not reference the same document as these three. And that's going to do it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.